This is the video walkthrough for 6503 Tempo Switch. Looks like they're moving along pretty quick. I see electrical meters already. Looks like you got a study down here. Nice open layout. Decent sized backyard. Garage. Utility closet. So no, this is your utility. This is a half bath down here. I'm assuming all bedrooms are upstairs. I mean, for the most part, I got drywall up. Pretty sure you're gonna start seeing some electrical fixtures go in this bad boy and cabinets. One bedroom here, second bedroom there. Shared restroom for those. Wow, this is a 4-bedroom. Amazing. Closet there. Yeah, it's coming along. Pretty well ahead from what I thought they would be. Thank you for touring.